Hello ninjas, let me show you a little secret how I make my fried Indomie. I'm going to come in here with some hot water. I'm going to leave this in here for like 5 minutes before I sieve it out. So this is what I'll be frying. Add a little bit of oil. Throw in here with half onion. Just add a little bit of long cube seasoning. Come in here with 3 eggs. Some habanero peppers. A little bit of salt. So guys, just like that, this fried noodles is ready. Thank you so much guys for sticking with me to the end. Do have yourself a very lovely weekend. Bye bye.